Now in your market update, Sri Lankan shares closed higher for the 8th straight session today, buoyed by consumer staples and industrial stocks. The all-share price index ended up 0.66% at 5,145.55 as Lion Brewery plc and industrial conglomerate John Keells Holdings plc provided the biggest boosts to the index, rising 7.3% and 1.3% respectively. Foreign investors were net sellers, offloading 158.7 million rupees worth of shares. Trading volume rose to 52.8 million rupees from 49.5 million rupees in the previous session, while equity market turnover was 1.09 billion rupees. Now here's a brief report on today's market performance.
So today also we saw a significant surge in the SPI index, with the market ending in the green as the index gained about 33 points. Contrary to the global markets, where most of the global markets were in the red, our market has performed in the green, with the positive sentiment that is there among the local investors. Even today we saw significant buying interest in the main three banks. Commercial, HNB and Sampath Bank has had a significant buying interest during the day. In addition to that, we saw buying interest in John Keells Holdings and Dialog, which boosted the turnover for the day. Turnover today also recorded above 1 billion rupees. We saw significant amount of retail and high net worth participation. However, most investors have a high bias towards the buying interest of the banking sector counters. So that's why we are seeing a significant amount of turnover in these banks, despite some profit taking among some of the investors that have bought shares earlier. So again, foreigners being on the selling side, we saw net foreign outflow of around 150 million rupees.